Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to take you on a tour of Chungjeongno Station, a spot filled with history and charming places to visit. Let's go! Chungjeongno is named after a patriotic hero from the late Joseon dynasty, Min Young-hwan. Known as Chungjeongno, he was an independence fighter who gave his life protesting the 1905 Ulsa Treaty, which handed Korea's diplomatic rights to Japan. You will find a statue of him just outside the station. Now let's explore Chungjeongno. Seoul Shrine History Museum and Park. Now, I'm not Catholic, Christian, Buddhist, Muslim, or Hindu, but if I find a meaningful place near the station, I'll love to include it. The Seoul Shrine History Museum and Park is part of a Vatican-recognized Seoul pilgrimage route. During the Joseon dynasty, this area had Seoul Gate, one of the four small gates of Hanyang-Joseon. It later became an execution site where many Catholics were martyred. Today is a serene space featuring a memorial tower, consolation hall, chapel, park, and sky square. Walking through this award-winning architecture site gives you a peaceful, reflective feeling. Buildings with a long history. 1. Chungjeong Apartment. Known as the oldest apartment in Korea, this place was built back in 1930s. Designed by Japanese architect Taneo Toyora to solve the housing crisis in Joseon, the building is equipped with a Japanese-style living room. Over the years, it serves different purposes from hotel to housing. Unfortunately, demolition has been confirmed, and a new complex will replace it. 2. Chungjeonggak, Korea's oldest Western-style building, designed by Canadian architect Henry Bode Gordon in the early 1900s. It's now an Italian restaurant, but still stands as a beautiful piece of architecture. 3. Yakgyeon Cathedral. Built in 1892, this is Korea's first Catholic cathedral. It's part of the Seoul pilgrimage route and recognized as Historic Site number 252. Songgyejeong Park and Memorial Hall. This spot commemorates Song Gi-jeong, the legendary Korean marathon runner who won a gold medal at the 1936 Berlin Olympics. Even though Japan controlled Korea at the time, Son signed with his Korean name, sending a strong message of national pride. The Memorial Hall, opened in 2012 on its 100th birth anniversary, features sports facilities, a park, and a library. It's nestled in an apartment complex and is a popular spot for locals. Chunglim Warehouse. Chunglim Warehouse is a local culture platform that transformed old warehouses and buildings as part of Seoul's urban regeneration project. It won the 2020 Seoul Architecture Grand Prize. Right across from it, you will find St. Joseph Apartment, Korea's first residential commercial complex with cozy local cafes on the ground floor. The warehouse hosts a variety of cultural events and pop-up exhibitions. When I visited, there was a cool one for the drama The Fiery Priest.